Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix missing screen brightness slider option on your Windows. So if you're going to click on this Wi-Fi icon, if the screen brightness slider is missing on your Windows, then here's what we can do in order to fix that. In the Windows search bar, type device. Device Manager will be up under the best match. Just simply click on that. The Device Manager window will appear. Now you have to look for the monitors. So you might have a different monitor like PNP monitor or any other monitor. So I have integrated monitor, the same process. Make a right click, select disable device, click on yes. And then you have to wait for some time. And then you have to make a right click on it again, select enable device. Now once done, locate the display adapter. So this is your graphics card driver. So you might have a different graphics card driver like NVIDIA or AMD. The process is just the same. Make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this and then close the device manager window. And we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So this is a very important part of the process. Click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update and simply click this button here. So this will check for updates. And aside from that, this will also download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So once done, close this. Then we also need to check a service in the services window. So type services in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now here we need to scroll down to letter D as these are arranged in alphabetical order. And look for the display enhancement service. This one, display enhancement service. Right click, select properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. If this is already running, click on stop. Wait for some time. And then click on start to restart the service. Apply and then OK. And then simply close this window. And just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And after that, the missing screen brightness slider option will be back on your Windows. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.